Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a very easy and quick recipe for all the non-veg lovers, and the recipe's name is lemon chicken. I have taken liver along with chicken so you can use in both the recipes. First what we will do is we will take the chicken, we will wash and clean it nicely. To that we will add some salt, a lot of lemon juice because lemon juice is the king in our recipe. Mix it nicely so that the salt and the lemon juice mix well with the chicken and the taste of the chicken increases. We will close the lid and keep it aside for at least half an hour to 45 minutes. In a jar, we will take some cloves of garlic, half an inch of ginger, chili as per your taste. Then we will take some coriander leaves. To that we will add some curd and then we'll blend this into a nice smooth paste. We will take our chicken and then we will add this paste into the chicken for marination. Mix it nicely. The taste of curd, chili, garlic, everything gets well blended in the chicken. We have to close the lid and then we will keep in the refrigerator for 1 hour. We will roast few spices, whole spices. I have mentioned the whole spices in the description. Please do have a look. We will make into a coarse powder. Into a vessel we will take some butter. Let the butter melt. To this, we will add our whole spices and then we will add our marinated chicken into the vessel. We will mix the chicken nicely into the butter. And then we will close our lid and let it to cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. Once the chicken releases its water, then we will add our prepared powdered mixture and mix it well nicely. This recipe is a very simple recipe with very less ingredients, so we can make it very nicely and very quickly. Then we'll close our lid and let it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we will add 2 teaspoons of Garam masala. Mix everything nicely. And to increase the thickness of the gravy, I have today used here corn flour. I have taken 1 teaspoon of corn flour and added little water and added the mixture in the chicken. But if you want to avoid this step, you can use cashew paste or almond paste instead. I have taken corn flour today. Then I have added Kasuri Methi for increasing the flavor of the chicken. We will mix everything nicely. And then we will close the lid and let it to simmer for at least 10 minutes on medium flame. You can see how nicely the chicken has released its oil. That means our chicken has boiled very nicely. Wow, see, the consistency of the gravy is also so much thick and rich. Then we will garnish with some coriander leaves. And enjoy guys. Today is Sunday. You can try this recipe and comment me how was it. And if you want to see more of these recipes, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye guys. Enjoy.